Hey, it's John Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons. Today's lesson, I'm going to be sharing with you how to do a cartoon squirrel on top of a big nut. That's right, because squirrels are nutty. Alright, so if you have your pencil and you have some paper, I think we're ready to begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. That's right, and I hope you enjoyed this lesson just as much as I had sharing it with you. Well, what I want you to really play around with this lesson is watch the detail in the facial expression, the body position. This a little bit more three-dimensional, which I like to really play on a lot of the characters to give more attitude to it. So when you're thinking about doing your next cartoon, think about that. Alright, as always, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do. And if you already did, thanks for doing that and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.